Welcome to DUDIR Academy. In this video, I have included the job notification. All India Institute of Medical Science, Jodhpur have invited application for recruitment of faculty post for College of Nursing on direct recruitment basis. And it is notified in the website of AIIMS Jodhpur. So you can see in the home page, click the recruitment option. Under that, you can click the faculty recruitment. Now you will reach into a page of faculty recruitment notices. Here you can see the advertisement, the starting date. It is already started 8/8/2020 and the last date of applying is 7/9/2020. Now you can click on the apply now option here. So in order to fill this online application, you have to register. So if you have to apply for more than one post, you have to register separately for each post. And if you are already registered, means you have to log in to this. Now let us see the advertisement in detail. Online applications are invited for the following post on direct recruitment basis, and the post include the professor cum principal. The number of posts is 1. Then lecturer or assistant professor, the number of posts is 1, and for tutor or clinical instructor in nursing, the total number of posts is 6. And the age and qualification will be counted on the last date of submission of application. And regarding the qualification, for the professor cum principal, the qualification and experience needed is master's degree in nursing with advanced specialization in nursing, must be registered as nurse and midwife, and should have 10 years of experience in the nursing field after registration as nurse, out of which 7 years must have been spent in nursing education or administration after obtaining the prescribed post-graduation qualification. And for the lecturer and assistant professor, the qualification is master's degree in nursing from a recognized institute, and should have registered as nurse and midwife, and should have 5 years experience with a minimum of 2 years teaching experience in nursing. And for the tutor or clinical instructor in nursing, the essential qualification is educational qualification of BSc nursing or post-basic nursing degree, and should have registered as nurse and midwife, and experience of 3 years as teaching experience in nursing teaching institution. And the desirable qualification is MSc nursing. Then regarding the application process, the applicants can submit their application only through the online mode, and the last date of online submission is 7th September 2020 up to 5 p.m. and not the online application will be closed in 7th September 2020 up to 5 p.m. Applicants are advised to keep a copy of the online application form with them along with the proof of payment for their record. Also, while filling the application in online mode, the photo and signature should be clearly visible in preview in website. Both must be clearly visible in the application form. And regarding the pay scale, for the professor cum principal, the pay matrix level 13 with basic pay of 1,23,100, and for lecturer and assistant professor, the pay matrix level 11 with basic pay of rupees 67,000, and for tutor or clinical instructor in nursing, pay level 10 as per 7th pay. Regarding the age limit, for professor cum principal, it should not be exceeding 55 as on closing date. The age limit should not be exceeding 55 years as on closing date, and for lecturer or assistant professor and tutor or clinical instructor, it should not be exceeding 50 years as on closing date. So upper age limit shall be determined as on last date of submission of online application. Then regarding the age relaxation, for SC/ST category, age relaxation is permissible beyond the upper age limit as of 5 years, and for OBC candidates it is 3 years, and persons with disability, benchmark disability, it is 5 years, and for government servants it is 5 years. Then regarding the shortlisting and interview, The prescribed qualification is taken minimum. Also regarding this experience and qualification, experience will be counted as on last date of submission of application. And regarding the shortlisting and interview, based on the biodata, the selection committee may be shortlisting the candidates for interview. And the minimum cutoff marks in the personal interview for the selection of faculty post will be 60% for unreserved and 50% for SC/ST and PWBD category. Next is about the application fees. For general OBC candidates, it is ₹3,000 and for SC/ST women and person with benchmark disabilities, it is ₹200. The application fees should also be paid through online mode only, through the payment gateway of AIIMS Jodhpur. Those who are in employment should submit the no objection certificate from the employer at the time of interview. For the clarification and enquiries, you can mail to recruitment@aimsjodhpur.edu.in and the contact number is 0291 2740 7741. So thank you.